Welcome back to our Chem 151 video series. In this video, we'll talk about how to calculate percent composition of an atom inside of a compound. This question gives us the compound CuSO4 connected to 7 waters, and we are asked to find the percent composition of copper in that formula. We'll begin by writing down the atoms we have and how many of them we have. In this formula, we have 1 copper, 1 sulfur, and we have to be careful about oxygen. In the CuSO4, we have 4 oxygens. However, we have an additional 7 from the water. The 7 from the water plus the 4 from the CuSO4 gives us a total of 11 oxygens in this compound. For the hydrogen, we have to be careful as well. We have 7 waters, and each water has 2 hydrogen. Therefore, we'll take 7 times 2 and get 14 hydrogens. Now that we've counted the number of each atom, we'll multiply that number times the mass of each atom from the periodic table. We'll go to the periodic table now and locate those elements. We have copper here in group 1b. We have sulfur here in group 6a. Oxygen also in group 6a, and hydrogen in group 1a. We'll record the masses to 2 decimal places rather than 3. Usually for our purposes in Chem 151, 2 decimal places will be enough. Copper's mass, according to the table, is 63.55. Sulfur's is 32.06. Oxygen's is 16.00 if you round up, and hydrogen we'll use 1.01. We'll record all of those masses in our table now. We'll multiply straight across. First, we'll take 1 times 63.55 for copper. That's 63.55. We'll take 1 times 32.06 for sulfur, giving us 32.06. We'll take 11 times 16 for oxygen, giving us 176.00. And for hydrogen, 14 times 1.01 will give us 14.14. Then we'll add all of the masses together and get the total mass. We will get 285.75 grams per mole for our total mass. Now that we have the total mass, to get our percent composition, we'll take the mass of copper divided by the total mass, because the question asked us specifically for the percent composition of copper. To change to percent, we can multiply by 100%. Therefore, our grams of copper come from the first row, 63.55, and we'll place that on top of the fraction. We'll divide that by our total that we found, 285.75, and multiply the whole thing by 100. And we'll get 22.24% composition of copper. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.